Good morning. Looks like another beautiful day. Last thing we need is more rain. But yeah, I don't know if my babies can get through. Go on, little girl. You got it. I know my big girl's not going to be able to get through this. So I had not planned on, shove this out of the way. I had not planned on dealing with this today, but what's wrong, baby? Let me shove some of this out of the way. I don't understand. I got home yesterday after yet another storm and more rain, and have posted a picture of the little bit of damage. I know my husky, like always, is in the background, but everybody's like, oh, so beautiful, so pretty, thank you for sharing the video. Well, this is what I got to deal with today. Was not on my list of things to do, but I'll handle it. Take a look out back, see if there's any damage out there that I need to be aware of. Oh, got my first bloom on this. Yeah, here we go. Oh, dang. Good. My tallest sunflowers are still standing. Well, like I said on my video yesterday, you know, nature be naturing. We deal with it. She's pretty much in control. We're visiting this planet. We do not own this planet. Unpopular belief, I know. But, hey, I'll clean this mess up. It could have been a whole lot worse. As you all know, this area's had tornadoes and everything else. And so far, my yard has been untouched. But we'll get it.